Not cool, man. French surfers face wave of bourgeois tourists. Surfing used to draw fans of the counterculture in search of a laid-back lifestyle marked by sun, sea, and freedom. Now the best spots in France are attracting a new generation of bourgeois surfers who would rather spend the night in luxury lodgings than in a cramped Volkswagen camper van. The trend is contributing to a surfing boom along the Atlantic coast, where tourism officials note a rise in house prices and hotel bookings, as well as a boost for local economies. However, the influx of novice surfers from across Europe, including the UK, is also generating tension, insults, court cases, and in some instances, violence on the waves. The waters on the Atlantic coast are becoming increasingly crowded, Alamy. Maya Sauer, a surfer from Munich, was participating in the German University Championship at Segnos, south of Bordeaux. www.thetimes.com/article/Bordeaux Claret Wine Claret Explained, ZJMC 3K6PD, in June when she was pushed off her board by a local who was infuriated that she was riding what he considered to be his wave. In a social media post, Sauer said the man was part of a big group of free surfers who yelled at us, insulted us, and got physically aggressive. I totally understand that it's frustrating when your home spot feels more crowded every year. But there's a line, and violence, especially against women, should never, ever be part of surfing. Sud-West, the regional daily, said conflicts between locals and outsiders were becoming more frequent. Sometimes it becomes a battle. Olivier Tinault, an experienced surfer in Hossegor, a popular destination on the Atlantic, told the newspaper. Vadim Kamenka, another surfer, said, "Even away from the shore, there are several of us on the same wave sometimes, and that can provoke accidents." He added that novices pinch the wave you have been waiting for 20 minutes. They bang into you, and sometimes that can cause injuries. Emergency services were called to deal with 363 surfing accidents in the Southwest last year, compared with 143 in 2010, according to the government. Le Monde said there was also mounting anger over the growth of surf camps organized by British, German, Dutch, and Belgian tour operators. French instructors complain that they faced unfair competition from counterparts with less stringent qualifications running such camps. A rise in the number of surf schools is causing competition for space on the waves. Alamy officials said the participants made a row, too. These are big groups that occupy campsites. https://thetimes.com/article. I'm a Francophile and these bijou glamp sites are my favorites. IPP50TTH, said Alan Marchand, the mayor of Molliet-Setma, an Atlantic resort and a popular surf spot. They come with their instructors, their teams do not speak French, and are not aware of health and safety rules. France is home to something like 680,000 surfers. And the number is rising. Surf schools awarded 65,000 certificates to students last year, a 20% increase on 2014. The number of instructors has increased by 31% since 2021. Le Monde said the new generation of surfers had arrived after the pandemic and had transformed the sector. Many were upper-middle-class families who turned up at the beaches in BMWs and Teslas. Officials said the newcomers tended to view surfing as the summer equivalent of a ski holiday. Christophe Guibert, a sociologist and tourism specialist at the University of Angers, told the newspaper, 20 years ago, councils saw surfers as hippies on the margins of society. Today, tourist professionals love these rather bourgeois customers who come for a week, rent houses, pay for lessons, and buy materiel. It is not only families who head for the surf. The beaches also attract young Parisian professionals who go for short stays while in theory working from home. According to officials, the surfing industry generates annual revenues of 2.1 billion euros, according to the French Surfing Federation, and the boom is having widespread repercussions. In Hossegor, house prices have risen by 50% in 5 years, while in the Landes Departmental, home to a series of surf spots, hotel bookings are up by 20% compared with a decade ago. Across the region, downmarket hostels once popular with cool 20th century surfers are being turned into hotels charging hundreds of euros a night for their 21st century successors. Ludovic Fallet, a geography lecturer at Clermont-Auvergne University, said surfing was contributing to the gentrification of the coast.